How to fix blurry Snapchat videos. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with the process. First thing first, make sure that you are using a very stable Wi-Fi connection. Now for the second thing, let's go ahead and make sure that our application is updated. For that, head over to your Play Store and then simply search for Snapchat. If your application shows update here, tap on update and update your app. Now once you do so, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below, then go for apps. Here also search for Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat, tap on storage, clear the cache. If you remember your credentials like your password and username, you may also go ahead and tap on clear data and delete the data. Once done, come back onto app info page, tap on force stop, then OK. Now restart your device, launch your Snapchat, and this shall fix your problem. That is all for today, you guys. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.